Hi Robuxio traders, welcome to our new market update where we will look at Bitcoin, we will look at overall market characteristics, how it was or wasn't trending, and how volatile this environment in the last 2 weeks of September was. Okay, so let's jump to Bitcoin. We can look at ATR and ADX again. You know, guys, that ATR is showing us volatility of the market, and you can see that last 2 weeks were pretty flat. In fact, it wasn't flat, but the volatility was trending down. So not a nice environment to be in. And if you look at ADX, you can remember that once we will get above the 20 threshold, we are getting into trend, and if we are under the threshold, we are not in a trending environment. Plus, you can also look at the slope of the indicator, and if it is going down, the trend is getting weaker, and if it is going up, the trend is getting stronger. So the last 2 weeks was the trending going down, and the volatility was also going down, which is definitely not a nice environment to be in with our directional strategies. This is just one of the cycles. This is always changing. We are getting from low volatility environment to high volatility environment, and the same thing is happening with the trends, because as you can see, the ADX that is showing us the trendiness of the market is also getting from low point to high point to low point again. And it's normal, because in markets, trend is always following by non-trending periods, and non-trading period is always following by trends. We just have to be patient and wait for it. Probably there could be some breakout these days, but we never know. That's why we are having algorithmic strategies that are trading in a broad portfolios, because we don't need to guess which way the market will be going. If we look at overall broad cryptocurrency index, you can see that in September it was again very flat, no move at all. But what's interesting, a bit at least, is the characteristic of October as a whole, because you can see that on Bitcoin, October was pretty strong month in the past. But guys, it's only 10 years of statistics. It's not that much. One shouldn't bet on it, and it's only for curiosity and only as an interesting point. But for me at least, if I can see that almost everybody is talking about Uptober and how October will be definitely going up and we will start a new bull trend, well, I don't trust these types of statistics that much, because the more people are talking about it, the lower the chance it will be working that way. Because these kinds of simple edges have the tendencies to being arbitraged way of the market. The more people know it, the less the strength of the tendency. Okay, and finally, let's get to our dashboard. You can see that the last 2 weeks were pretty flat. In fact, we got into a little drawdown, but only several percent, which is nothing. And the last 2 days, we are getting out of the drawdown thanks to only 2 or 3 winning positions. These are still open trades, so we need to wait how it will play out. But it doesn't matter that much, because we are playing long-term statistics. What's also interesting to see is that we are having only 5 open trades. And why only such a small number of trades? It's because we are getting into a transition period. We are getting from bear market regime to bull market regime, and it's always characterized this way, that the strategies have to get into sync with the markets and they are waiting for the right conditions to start trading again. Okay guys, that's it. I'm looking forward to see you in 2 weeks and enjoy trading. Bye.